Now that we've started a project, it's time to get to know the interface. Let's start with the inputs. These buttons set the building occupancy. Each has preset loads, which you can adjust as needed. Fire rating updates sizing and clear height in the output panel automatically. We have a project location field. You can input your site's address to provide more accurate carbon estimates for transportation. Next are the controls for the typical bay, which define the structural grid. The X and Y toggles switch the direction of the floor spans, while the X and Y sliders adjust the spacing between grid lines. For the structural system, we have flat plate, post and beam, and purlin on girder. For floor slabs, you can select a material source region for concrete and steel and a supplier for mass timber panels to better fine-tune your carbon analysis. For the mass timber floor slabs in particular, we have specific supplier sizes in our database, so changing suppliers will update your panel count and allow you to better assess overall efficiency. For each of the structural components, you can select options related to fire protection. For example, how many layers of drywall for timber elements. Also for timber, you can control the amount of concrete topping. Now that we've covered the inputs, let's go over to the top and review the navigation bar. The Color by Size button provides a view to see the real-time analysis in more detail, showing you the range of sizes for the structural members. Similarly, the Single Story button provides a view to better review the individual beams and columns. You can also switch the project units here from imperial to metric. Next, we have a Refresh button that will bring you back to the building selection screen. You can choose to keep your current model edits and select a different material or structural system, or choose a different building shape to start. Next, we have the Share button. This creates a web link to the project that can be shared. The Help button gives you access to tutorials and guides, and the Contact button will connect you with a structural engineer or branch support. At the bottom, you'll find the View cube. Clicking on the different parts of the cube changes the perspective of the main model, making it easy to explore. If you need more help, visit our website at branch3d.com for more information.